Hello everybody, welcome back to HardResetInfo channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to force restart your AMAZFIT Balance to XD. So first, what you guys want to do is hold this button right here at the bottom on the right side for 10 to 12 seconds. Now keep on holding it until the screen goes black. Keep on holding it even if you see those icons. And now the screen went black, and here you will see the AMAZFIT logo pop up, and after that you can let go of the key. So now we are waiting. I heard the vibration, we got the logo, and now I can let go. So as you guys can see, now our watch is force restarted. We did not touch the screen, and that's how you guys can do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.